FTS helped boost my error analysis ability and made me realize that making mistakes is what actually made me better. As I practiced through FTS test series, my test taking mistakes reduced. Hello everyone, I am Prachi, first year student from Maulana Azad Medical College. So today I am here to share my experience of FTS series for NEET. FTS helped boost my error analysis ability and made me realize that making mistakes is what actually made me better. In the initial days of my tests, I would make many silly mistakes like misreading the question, not going through all the options. But as I practiced through FTS test series, my test taking mistakes reduced. I also got the practice of filling my OMR sheet quickly and accurately so as to avoid mistakes which can cost me very heavily on the day of NEET examination. I also had a tendency to preconceive the questions. I would auto-fill in the questions and think that this is what the examiner has asked. But through the FTS series, I realized that this may not always be the case. They may be similar to the questions which I have attempted before, but they may not always be exactly the same question. So I learned to read each question as a fresh question. I also maintained an error analysis booklet throughout my FTS series. I wrote down and accepted the mistakes which I had committed. This helped me work on them and improve concepts which I was making mistakes in again and again. Also, the facts which I would keep forgetting again and again. At the last day before my NEET examination, I went through my error analysis booklet which helped me avoid these silly small mistakes. FTS was a habit building exercise which helped boost my NEET score. Having said this, I wish all NEET aspirants very best of luck for their exam.